The Two Brothers and the Mysterious Tree. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by tall green hills and endless forest, lived two brothers, Rayan and Zahir. Rayan, the elder brother, was kind, honest, and hardworking. Zahir, the younger one, was greedy, lazy, and always looking for shortcuts to get rich. Their parents had passed away years ago, leaving them a small piece of land to share. But Zahir would often complain, "Why should I work in the sun? There must be an easier way to get rich." Rayan would smile and say, "Hard work is slow, brother, but it brings real happiness." One day, as they were gathering firewood deep in the forest, Rayan stumbled upon a shimmering tree. Its leaves glowed golden in the sunlight, and a strange warmth filled the air. Carved into its trunk were the words, "To those who are pure at heart, I grant a gift. But be aware, greed will only bring grief." Rayan touched the tree gently and whispered, "I seek nothing but peace and enough to feed us both." Suddenly, a small golden fruit dropped into his hands. As he held it, it turned into a pouch filled with just enough gold to buy food, clothes, and tools for the farm. Zahir's eye widened. "Let me try," he shouted. He pushed Ryan aside and shouted at the tree, "Give me gold, give me treasure. I want to be the richest man alive." The tree shook violently. The leaves turned dark. Thunder cracked in the clear sky. A deep voice echoed, "Greed speaks loud, but it listens not." Suddenly, vines shoot out from the ground and wrapped around Zahir. The tree spirit appeared, an ancient being with eyes like glowing stars. It said, "You wanted everything, but gave nothing. You forgot the value of kindness." Zahir cried, "Please, I am sorry. I'll change." The spirit looked at Ryan and said, "Your love for your brother saved him. I will give him a chance, but only if he learns the value of giving." The vines disappeared. Zahir was free, but his clothes were torn and his gold vanished. From that day on, Zahir changed. He worked beside Ryan in the fields. He helped neighbors, and each time he gave, something amazing happened. Flowers bloomed, the crops grew better, and their hearts felt lighter. Years passed, and two brothers lived in peace and joy. Zahir never became the richest man, but he became something better, a good man with grateful heart. Because in the end, greed may bring riches, but only kindness brings true treasure. Moral of the story: greed may gain you gold, but kindness gains you everything. Did this story touch your heart? Let us know in the comments. What did you learn from this story? Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon for more inspiring stories like this. Thank you.